Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Personal Credit YouTube channel. That's right, this is the Get Personal Credit YouTube channel. You may have seen me on my other channel, which is Get Business Credit. And this channel, it's all about Get Personal Credit. So if you have bad credit, no credit, or you have good credit, and you're looking for other credit products, ways to boost your credit, ways to fix your credit, tips, tricks, anything to do with credit, this is your channel. So please make sure you hit subscribe, and I will be releasing new content weekly, possibly even daily. Show your support. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Turn the bell notification on, all right? I appreciate it, you guys. Stay tuned. This channel is about to blow up. Thank you. Bye.